Want to learn how to use the elliptical machine at Planet Fitness? In this video, I explain what the elliptical is, describe how to use it, and share a variety of workouts you can perform. Elliptical models vary by Planet Fitness location, so here, I'll be going over the basic features that should be available on all ellipticals. But if you're interested in learning about the specific features of certain ellipticals, check out the playlist in the top right corner. Anyways, let's get started. An elliptical is a low-impact cardio machine that simulates the movement of running or walking without the high-impact stress on your joints. It has moving handlebars and pedals to engage both your arms and legs, which allows you to get in a full body workout. The handles may also have sensors that allow you to measure your heart rate. Knowing your heart rate can help you determine the intensity of your workout, with a higher heart rate suggesting more effort and vice versa. There may also be stationary handles that make it so you're mostly using your lower body. The two pedals move in a circular motion, similar to a bicycle. There's a flywheel, which provides resistance to the pedals, simulating the feeling of walking or running. The front display panel should have a green button of some sort that starts the workout, as well as a red button to stop or pause. You'll have the ability to increase or decrease the resistance levels with buttons on the front panel. Increasing the resistance level makes it harder to pedal, requiring more effort and making the workout more intense. This panel should also display your workout metrics such as the duration of your workout, distance, calories burned, speed, and watts. Watts quantify the amount of power output, which is calculated based on the resistance level and speed at which you're moving. In this Life Fitness elliptical model, there are options to change the duration from how long you've been working out to a countdown from an hour. You can also switch the distance measurement between kilometers and miles, and between calories and watts. Here, there are also preset workouts for hills and random if you don't want to adjust your own resistance level. To get on the elliptical, step onto the pedals, placing your feet securely on them. Grab the handlebars and make sure your grip is secure. Tap the scale button to add your weight. This is used to help more accurately track the calories you burn during your workout. So if you don't use a wearable of some sort to track your calories, but would like to know how much you burned, you'd want to input your weight. As you get ready to start using the machine, here are some tips on form. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Avoid leaning forward or slouching, as this can put unnecessary strain on your back and neck. Make sure your feet are flat on the pedals and your weight is evenly distributed. Make sure to avoid lifting your heels or toes. Avoid gripping the handles too tightly to reduce strain on your arms and shoulders. Tighten your abdominal muscles to support your back and maintain your balance. Move your feet in a smooth circular motion as if you were walking or running. Avoid jerky movements or sudden changes in direction. You should focus on a controlled motion and maintain a comfortable pace that allows you to maintain proper form. You can pedal both forwards and backwards on the elliptical. Both directions will activate your quads, glutes, hamstrings, calves, and hip flexors. However, depending on which direction you move, some muscles will be more active than others. Forward pedaling will activate the quads, or front of your thighs, much more, whereas backwards pedaling activates more of the hamstrings and glutes. Now that you know all about the technical aspects of the elliptical and proper form, let's go through some workout routines. Warm up and stretching. If you're using an elliptical to warm up, start by using the machine at a steady pace for 5 minutes. Then perform some static stretches for your arms, quads, hamstrings, calves, and hips. Steady state. A relatively simple workout you can try is maintaining a steady pace and resistance level. First, start out at a comfortable pace. Then increase the resistance level. Maintain this pace and resistance for 20 to 30 minutes. Intervals. For a little more excitement, you can try an interval workout, which will have you alternating between high intensity and low intensity periods. To do this, after you've warmed up at a comfortable pace, increase the resistance level for 30 seconds. Then lower the resistance to recover. Repeat this cycle for 20 to 30 minutes. Forward and reverse pedaling. While pedaling forward is the most common, you can also throw in some reverse pedaling to activate more of your hamstrings and glutes. After you've warmed up, set a challenging resistance level and pedal in reverse for 2 to 3 minutes. Then go back to forward pedaling for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat the cycle for 20 to 30 minutes. Cool down and stretching. Once you've finished a whole elliptical workout, make sure to cool down at a low resistance for 5 minutes. Then follow it up with some stretching. Now that you know how to use the elliptical at Planet Fitness, learn how you can use other machines in the playlist in the top right. Thanks for watching and keep working hard.